Hello everyone, you're welcome back once again. This is on-chain mode. In this guide, I'll be showing you how to send your OOROT tokens into the SafePal Wallet. It's basically showing the newbies how to send from crypto exchange into SafePal Wallet. This video is gonna be helpful for any newbie that wants to know how to send tokens from the MEXC Exchange to the SafePal Web3 wallet. You can send any token if you know how to send any token, or you want to know how to just send any token, either OOROT or BNB or whatsoever token from MEXC Exchange to the SafePal wallet. This video is gonna be very helpful to you. So you have to watch this video to the end. MEXC Exchange is a centralized exchange, which means that you can anyone can easily, you can just come here and buy and sell whatsoever cryptocurrency you want to be buying, okay? And the centralized exchange means that it is governed by a central authority. Like the government can easily have access to your money if need be, okay? There is no anyone can easily demand for your information and get it. All right, it means that there is a central body that is monitoring any transaction that is going on right here, all right, in this exchange. So that is why it's always very important that to be in the safer side, it's always very important that you send your tokens or coins from your centralized exchange to decentralized exchange, where nobody can have access to your money except you alone. All right, so only make use of this centralized exchange when you want to buy or sell any cryptocurrencies. All right, so now for you to be able to send your OOROT to your MEXC Exchange, now this is the app. After downloading the app, I'll be dropping the link at the video description. Use the link and download the app. After downloading the app, ensure that you complete your KYC. And after completing your KYC, now someone might ask me, how do I complete this KYC? This is the place that you use to complete this KYC. You click on that section. It's going to take you to just head over to settings and verification section right here, and you can continue the process of verifying yourself, because you have to verify yourself to have full access in this MEXC Exchange. Okay, it's after KYC, which is know your customer, that you can start buying and selling from this exchange. Okay, but in the case of wallet, you don't need to you might not necessarily complete your wallet if you want to start sending out your token, but to be at the safer side, and also for the platform should be able to help you in terms of whenever you mistakenly send the token to someone, the platform can easily help you track or retrieve some of your money that you've lost. You have to complete your KYC to get those features, okay? All right, now we've known that, let's just go to what we have today. Now you click right here. Okay, let's go back. All right, so you click right here, this asset section right here. If this pops out, don't worry about this, just click on that, sign out. All right, after clicking on that asset section, it's going to show you right here, okay? Now you have to click on this deposit, or you have to click on this, you have to click on this withdraw, because you want to withdraw from this platform. So you click on that withdraw section. Then afterwards, you can now see here, this is the token. You can come here and search for the token, but in my case, I have bought this OOROT token, That is why it is showing here. But in case it doesn't show up here, you can come here, search for the token. You can search for the token using the contract address. If you have it, you can go and copy the contract address from CoinMarketCap and paste it here. The token is going to show. This token here is going to show. Okay, so now you click on that OORT token. Now this part here has to do with sending into on-chain. On-chain means you want to send out from this exchange to a decentralized exchange or to another exchange centralized body or exchange entirely. You click on this part. So this is the part that we are going to be clicking on. So after clicking right there, it's going to show up right here. So what you have to do now is to go and copy the address, the receiving address of your wallet, and come and paste right here. Since I want to be sending my token from this centralized exchange into a decentralized exchange, I'm going to go straight to my decentralized exchange and copy the address and come and paste right here to complete the process. So I'll just minimize and go to my SafePal Wallet and copy the address. So right here is my SafePal Wallet, and I already have the token right here. I recently made a video on how to import this OORT token on the SafePal Wallet. If you don't know how to go about the process, you can watch the video at the video description. So you click right here. Since I'm sending to the OORT in the BNB network, that is why it's showing right here. Okay, I want to send the OORT under the BNB network to this wallet. So what I'm going to do now is to click on this receive button to copy my receiving address. You click on that, copy, and then you minimize and go back to the MEXC Exchange and paste that address we've copied right there. I'll come here and paste it right here. Okay, now I've pasted it. I'll select the network. Is it BNB network? Because there are two types of OORT network ecosystem. So you have to be sure the one you copied. In my SafePal Wallet, I copied the OORT built under the BNB network. So I'll just come here and make sure that, check it and make sure it is currently that particular one. Alright, okay, then I'll just click on all because I want to send all. I'll click on all. Alright, and then you can see here they said that the network speed is currently slow. It will take 21 minutes. That's what they said right here. Okay, so I'll just click on instructions. You can leave this place empty, or you can write your name or whatsoever, but I want to leave it just like that. So I'll go ahead and click on confirm. The fee there is 0.3 MEX is the fee. So just go ahead and click on, you say your account is at high risk, please enable at least one more security verification. So I can just click on any of these options. Let's say the mobile. Alright, the mobile is just to, you insert your mobile number here and an SMS will be sent to your number. Just come and insert it right here. Then you insert your code, the code that was sent to your email right here as well, and then you click on submit. Okay, so let's insert our number. Now I have linked all those information. This button is gonna be highlighted now for me. So I'll click on confirm. Then it's gonna pop out this. Just go ahead and click on confirm withdrawal. All right, and you confirm all of these informations right here. Okay, confirm all of these informations right here. The code will be sent to your email and your phone number. Just go ahead and insert them right here after clicking on this code right here, and then you click on confirm. Okay,
so after 20 minutes or thereabout, just log into your SafePal wallet and the token is gonna be sitting right here, and then you can view the amount right here. Okay, but in case it doesn't do, in case you waited after 20 seconds, just log out of this SafePal wallet and log in again. You should be seeing the token right here sitting right here, and the value worth of the OORT in dollars sitting right here. Okay, so this is how to go about the process. In case you have any other question, leave your question just below the comment section, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel, and see you in the next video.